So to successfully manage and lead a HR team, particularly in a SaaS startup, here are some things that I think you need to do. Number one, be a strategist, because you have to be forward thinking, you have to look into the future, understand what the business is seeking to achieve now in the short term and in the long term. So that's one. Number two, get ready to roll your sleeves and do the work, because you're more likely than not to have a small team. You may not have different units, one unit for recruitment, another unit for learning, or another unit for performance. You must be a generalist, be ready to do everything. And as you're defining the strategy, you must be able to also get in there and do the work yourself if need be. And then number three, you must be willing to teach the people that you're working with. Your team must also grow with you as you're growing. It's a challenging experience, because as a startup, there's a lot of work to be done, but you and your team will be the better for it, because as you're doing all of these things, you're growing, they're growing, and you can delegate more and focus on some bigger rocks while they handle the little rocks. So to sum it up, be a strategist, be operational when you need to be, and be a teacher. Let your team grow with you.